Hi, my name is Mateo with the Explora internship program, and I'm here to show you a quick guide on the stars and constellation activity. Now for materials you'll need a long sheet of aluminum foil, just make sure it's more than 3 inches on either end, some tape to hold it down, a ruler, a pair of scissors to cut it out, and anything with the sharpened edge. We're using a thumbtack, but if you have anything of the sort, like a skewer, all those will do. Then you'll need some flashlights. Just make sure that the tinfoil will fit over it, but anything else works. And if you want to take the project a bit further, we're going to be using some mirrors to mess with the reflections and see how that works out. So to start off our project, we're going to cut the tinfoil. Make sure it's 3 inches on either side. Mark it out however you need to. And then once you have your square, you're going to want to secure it over your flashlight. If you need to use an adhesive like tape, then go ahead. For this one, it'll work without it. And after you have it secured, just make sure to puncture some holes. As many as you want, just make sure you space them out so that there is tin foil in between. We're just gonna do a few here and there. Now that you have your flashlight, what you're going to do is get into any darkened room, make sure all the lights are off and that the windows are shut, no light comes in, and then you're just going to shine your flashlight. You're gonna point it right up. Try to make sure you're a little bit far away so that it has time to reach. But other than that, you'll see a nice little starry sky wherever you are. Okay. Now that you're done, see if you can spot any interesting shapes or constellations you made in your own project. And if you want to take this even further, we have more to offer at Explora's Pinterest.